Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and don't forget to put that notification so you know the next time I'm posting another video. Guys, today I'm in my kitchen, as you can tell. So today actually I am cooking madaze. You know what madaze is? You can call it madaze, some people call it puff puff, some people call it mahamri. There's a way you make it so that you can call it a name, but mine is just simply a mixture of flour. This is the flour I'm using right here. It's golden meadow flour. Yes, this is the one I use. Of course I use a yeast. Oh, I don't know, I use a yeast. Yes, I use a yeast. Let me show you what I use. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. So I use this active dry yeast right here, and of course I use this baking powder together, and then that's what I use, and this and warm water to make this dough right here. Okay, give me a second. So let me show you how the dough looks like. So then after 30 minutes, actually, look at the dough. This is how the dough looks like. My goodness, the dough, when I covered it, actually it swollen and it was falling. So I kind of put it back like this. Okay, so this is what I need. Okay guys, another thing that I need, actually I need oil. I have a little bit oil here. This is, I'm gonna use this oil, crystal pure canola. You can use canola, you can use any oil that you want. I need a little bit of plate. This is a plate I need. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here so that whenever I'm rolling my dough, it's going to be easier for me. So the oil actually is done. I need to add a little bit of fire. Make sure you keep the heat low, very low. So I may need this to kind of flip, and this one's going to help me flip, right? Put it on here. So what I'm going to do right now, and of course I'm going to use this thing to roll. So I may not talk too much, but you will see what I'm doing. So I'm going to have a little bit of dough like this. Actually, let me put all of it down here. This is in a sink. Then I'm gonna come with my flour. Kind of drizzle a little bit like that. I hope you guys can see how do you make your madaze. Okay, let me know guys how you make yours. So I kind of flip it over here. Like this, and then I kind of, you see the way I'm rolling my fingers, kind of go inside like this, and then now this is the stage that I need to dip my hand inside the oil like this so that it can help me roll. Look at it, rolling inside and out, kind of like a ball. So it's done. So I'm gonna put it on the side. I'm gonna do another one, and this is way too big. I'm gonna cut it again because all I need is just a little balls of dough. So I'm rolling it inside. So I'm gonna do the same. do you call this in your language or in your country? How do you call this? Where I come from, we call it madaze. Okay? So let me know how you call yours. In each and every country or every person, you have a different way of cooking this. Okay? So, as you can tell, I made a little bit of balls right here. So this one is gonna go here. So the next thing I'm gonna do, let me get a little bit of this one is gonna help me to roll it so it doesn't stick actually down here. So put it on the side and I'm gonna grab one. See? And then we are going to roll it. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Another thing you want to do is you don't want to roll it too much, because you know when you make the done, you need that little meat inside, right? I cooked the meat. You want it to be a little bit heavy, not too light. You see what I'm doing right here? Yay! It's done now. So what I do after this, I come up with a knife. Let me grab a knife. You can grab a knife from here, and then you cut it. Got it? Then cut it in any shape you want. Any shape you want and any size you want. So for me, I feel like this is the size that I need. You see now? So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna dip it in the hot, very hot oil right here. So let's go. Woo! This oil is hot. So you can drop as many as you want. And make sure the heat is not too high, because you see how it's swelling, so I need to flip it. You have to be very quick because the oil is too hot. See? So there's still space, so I can keep dropping more and more. Okay, and I can come with another one. Get ready with another one. Because get a little bit of flour. So the flour is going to help us. Is that brown color. And I can see it. I can see my brown color. It's coming up. I don't want it burned. To be a good shape, you can make it in any shape. It'll be a good shape, because I'm not good at making a good shape. All around. So guys, as you can tell, some of them are ready. I'm about to take it out. This is the color. That's what I was looking for. Yay! So what I'm gonna do, I am going to move this pot right here. And if you want, you can put a paper towel to kind of suck in some oil. Look at it. Let me put it here so I can show you. let it cool down so I can break it, y'all can see. So you break it. Wow, look at it. It's really, really hard. Look at that. That is done. Mandazi is done. You guys comment below. What do you think? Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Comment below. Share with your friends. I'm gonna put a recipe in my description box if you want to know how I'm making this. This is the final product, and now this one, it's how I'm going to eat it. Over here I set my tea, as you can tell, and my madaze. That is how I'm going to enjoy my snack. I call it a snack. You can eat it breakfast, you can eat it as a snack. Guys, if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I am popping another video.